Hello Dentalkart family. Today, we are excited to introduce your ultimate companion for maintaining a sparkling smile and superior oral hygiene, the MyOra Cordless Water Flosser. Featuring advanced technology, user-friendly features, 1-year warranty, 1500 mAh battery and a battery life of 30 days, the MyOra Cordless Water Flosser uses powerful water pulses, reaching areas that conventional floss can't touch. Let's start with unpacking the product. We have the cordless water flosser device. 2 standard jet tips, periodontal tip, orthodontic tip, pouch, and USB cable. Let's first understand how does MyOra Water Flosser works. The effective action of the water flosser is due to its unique combination of pulsation and pressure. Compared to a steady stream, a pulsating device has been shown to be 3 times as effective for removing debris. Another outcome from pulsation and pressure is hydrokinetic activity, which provides for subgingival penetration into the sulcus pocket. Let's switch to its operating guide. Charge the product for 6 hours before first use. Connect one end of the USB charging cable to the charging port of the body. When charging, the charging indicator light is red, and when fully charged, the light turns green. Let's know more about flossing tips. There are total 4 tips included in the product. 2 standard jet flossing tips. The standard tips are designed for everyday use, providing effective cleaning of the entire mouth. It helps to remove plaque and debris from all areas of oral cavity. 1 periodontal flossing tip, specifically designed for deep cleaning below the gum line, targeting periodontal pockets. Ideal for users who need an extra level of care to maintain gum health. 1 orthodontic flossing tip is tailored for cleaning around braces, bridges. It helps remove plaque and food debris from hard-to-reach areas, ensuring thorough cleaning around orthodontic appliances. Installation and removal of flossing tips. Now insert the desired flossing tip into the tip mounting hole. Upon hearing a click, the installation is complete. Long press the release button present at the back of flosser and pull out the flossing tip upward at the same time. By this, we can easily remove the flossing tip. Installation and removal of water tank. Rotate the water tank clockwise and pull it down to remove the water tank. Fill the water in the water tank, or you can also open water inlet present at the bottom of the tank. Switch and mode selection. 1. Press on/off key to turn on the water flosser. 2. By long pressing the mode button, we can switch over different modes. 3. Short press the mode button to choose the best water intensity for yourself. Let's know more about the device. Working modes. Normal standard water pressure for high efficiency, ideal for daily teeth cleaning. Pinpoint cleaning between tooth surfaces and braces. Pulse alternates between strong and weak pulses for a comfortable gum massage. That's all for today, and if you are ready to enhance your dental practice, MyOra Cordless Water Flosser is just a click away. Visit Dentalkart website or use the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on MyOra Cordless Water Flosser.